Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night with a sharp, stabbing cramp in your leg that makes you sit up and wince? Or maybe you've been out for a walk, just enjoying the fresh air, when suddenly your calf tightens up like a knot you can't untangle. It's frustrating. It's painful. And if you're over 60, it might even feel like your body is beginning to betray you. But what if I told you that this discomfort isn't just something you have to live with? That these leg cramps aren't a random sign of aging, but instead a whisper from your body asking for a little more balance, a little more nourishment, and a lot more care. I'm Dr. Sarah, and for over 30 years I've helped men and women navigate aging with strength, dignity, and joy. I believe the body is wise. It speaks to us through symptoms, sensations, and energy shifts. And when it comes to leg cramps, it's not just about the pain. It's about the message. Do your legs feel heavier than they used to? Do stairs feel steeper, or does your morning walk feel like more of a chore than it once was? You're not alone. These feelings are common, but they're not inevitable. In both ancient Eastern practices and today's Western science, we've learned that the legs are not just limbs, they're our roots. They connect us to the earth, our daily movement, our independence. In Eastern medicine, leg health is tied closely to the kidney and liver systems, organs that govern fluid balance, energy flow, and circulation. When these systems are in harmony, the legs feel light, warm, and flexible. When out of balance, we may feel stiffness, cramping, and fatigue. Western medicine, of course, connects leg cramps to a lack of hydration, magnesium, potassium, and circulation issues, especially in seniors. What's beautiful is how these two views meet in the middle. A holistic, body-loving approach can change everything, and it starts with something as simple as what you put on your plate. Today, I want to talk to you about 3 powerful foods that can help prevent leg cramps and bring strength back to your stride. But before we get into the first one, let's understand the root cause. Most leg cramps, especially in older adults, are due to electrolyte imbalances, particularly a shortage of potassium and magnesium. These minerals help our muscles contract and relax properly. Without them, muscles seize up. Add in dehydration, poor circulation, or medications that deplete nutrients, and it becomes a perfect storm. Now, let me take you back to a story, a patient I once had, named Mr. Rosa. He was 68, a retired teacher, and loved walking at sunrise. But his walks had started getting shorter. He told me, "Doc, my legs just won't cooperate. It's like they're rebelling." We made one small change. We added these foods to his daily routine. Within weeks, not only had the cramps reduced, but his energy came back, too. He was walking longer and smiling wider. So, food number 1. Bananas. But not just because they're famous for potassium. They're also gentle on digestion and provide natural sugars for sustained energy. In Eastern traditions, the banana is seen as a balancing food, cooling in nature, and supportive to the stomach and spleen, both of which help regulate fluids and prevent muscle tension. 1 banana a day can truly keep the cramps away. Add a pinch of sea salt and a few pumpkin seeds, and you've made a natural muscle-supporting snack that works even better. But of course, there's more. In the next part of this video, I'll share foods 2 and 3, one of which is probably already in your kitchen but being underused, and the other is a quiet superfood that boosts circulation like magic. I know that pain and fatigue in your legs can make life feel smaller. But the truth is, your strength isn't gone, it's simply waiting to be reawakened. Through love, through food, and through knowledge, you can nourish yourself back into motion. And remember, your legs have carried you through so much. They've walked through years, through storms, through celebrations. They deserve kindness now. They deserve care. Stay with me, because in the next part, we'll go even deeper. Not just into nutrition, but into habits, rituals, and tools to keep your legs strong, fluid, and full of life. You're not slowing down. You're learning how to move forward smarter. Now that we've talked about bananas and the powerful role potassium plays in supporting your muscles, let's move into the next two foods that can truly change the way your legs feel, move, and carry you through life, especially after 60. The second food I want to share with you may not sound exciting at first, but trust me, it's a powerhouse: dark leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, Swiss chard, those deep green leaves that have been praised in both traditional Eastern healing and Western nutrition for centuries. In traditional Eastern medicine, greens are connected to the liver, the organ that governs blood flow, energy direction, and the smooth movement of muscles and tendons. A well-nourished liver equals smooth motion, fewer spasms, and a clearer, more vibrant mind. That's because the liver doesn't just manage toxins, it also stores blood and ensures that it moves efficiently, especially to the limbs. From a Western perspective, these leafy greens are loaded with magnesium and calcium, two minerals your muscles absolutely need to function. Magnesium helps your muscles relax, while calcium helps them contract properly. Without the right balance, you'll feel cramps, tension, and even that deep, achy heaviness in your legs. Here's a simple way to bring greens into your life: lightly sauté spinach or kale in olive oil with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. That's it. The lemon helps with mineral absorption, and the oil helps your body use the fat-soluble vitamins like K and E. It's simple, warming, and deeply healing. Even 1 cup a day can make a difference. And if chewing greens feels like a chore, blend them into a smoothie with banana and almond milk for a leg-loving tonic you'll actually enjoy. Now, on to the third and often overlooked food: beets. Yes, humble, earthy, sometimes messy beets. But they are a miracle for your legs. Beets are deeply respected in both folk medicine and modern science for their effect on blood circulation. Rich in natural nitrates, beets help expand blood vessels and improve blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen to your muscles, and more oxygen means fewer cramps, faster healing, and better movement. A study in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that older adults who drank beet juice before walking had improved endurance and reduced muscle fatigue. And in Eastern thinking, the vibrant red color of beets is connected to heart and blood vitality, both essential for leg health. If you're not a fan of the earthy flavor, here's a tip: roast your beets until they're caramelized. They get sweeter, more tender, and far more delicious. Add them to salads, or eat them on their own with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. You now have 3 beautiful, natural tools: bananas for potassium and muscle energy, greens for magnesium and blood strength, and beets for circulation and vitality. This isn't just a food list, it's a love letter to your legs. But let's go a step deeper. If your body's been cramping or feeling heavy, it's not just a sign to change what you eat, it's a sign to slow down and listen. Hydrate more. Stretch daily. Massage your calves at night. Soak your feet in warm water with Epsom salt to relax your muscles and your mind. And if possible, sit by the window in the morning sun. That vitamin D not only supports bone and muscle health, but reminds your body it's alive, needed, and loved. There's a reason I've met so many 80 and 90-year-olds in places like Okinawa and Hansa who walk for hours without pain. Their secret isn't expensive medicine, it's daily movement, warm foods, and deep respect for the body. They treat food like medicine and aging like an art. You can do that too. Your legs don't need to slow you down. They can carry you into your most joyful years yet. All it takes is nourishment, intention, and the belief that you're still growing, not declining. So the next time you feel a cramp or heaviness, don't just reach for a pain reliever, or reach for a banana, a bowl of greens, a slice of beet. It's not just about easing the symptom, it's about building a new foundation of strength and trust in your body. You deserve to feel light. You deserve to feel strong. And your legs, those remarkable pillars that have held you up all these years, deserve to be loved. If this video helped you, share it with someone you care about. And let me know in the comments what small food or habit helps your legs feel better. Let's keep this conversation gentle, supportive, and full of hope. I'm Dr. Sarah, and I'll see you next time with more wisdom, warmth, and ways to keep aging with grace, strength, and joy.